Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Nana Taco Bell. Today we're stepping out of my kitchen and into yours, the one inside your gut. Let's get these orders out. But first, we're doing a gut audit. Meet the apple. In the culinary world, this is a real MVP. It's packed with fiber, the fuel that keeps your gut prep team energized and moving fast. Now look at this fake contender. Processed sugar is like a kitchen shortcut that backfires. It creates chaos, slows down the line, and leaves your gut staff exhausted. As a chef, I know quality ingredients make the dish. As your gut consultant, I'm telling you, nature wins the fight every time. Which one are you ordering today? Real or fake? Let me know in the comments.
Follow for next episode, coming soon.